Determine the place of supply for the following independent cases. So, festival event. An event management company at Mumbai organizes two business promotion event in for a Prabhu Enterprises registered in Ahmedabad, Gujarat, at New Delhi and in Malaysia. So, registered person. So, is a recipient is registered. Recipient registered na. So, the place of business is in New Delhi and in Malaysia. In the case of Malaysia and in New Delhi, will be is in Gujarat. In case of Malaysia, it will be Gujarat, and New Delhi will be New Delhi. But as he is registered, both will be in Gujarat. Where the service of an organization of event is provided to a registered person, the place of supply is location of the recipient. The event is held in India or outside India. So there's a given case supply place of supply. The event held in New Delhi, Ahmedabad, is in Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Event held in Malaysia, Ahmedabad also Gujarat. Global partner Jodhpur, Rajasthan is hired by Mr. John, unregistered person based in Kochi, Kerala, to plan and organize his son's wedding in Mumbai, Maharashtra. So, unregistered person is provide for him. They are going to provide in global planners and organize wedding in Mumbai, Maharashtra. The place as a place Mumbai, Maharashtra. They will bill to Mumbai, Maharashtra. Will you answer different wedding takes place in Singapore? If it takes place in Singapore, then it will be Kerala, Kochi. When a service of organization of event is provided to an unregistered person, the place of supply is the location where the event is held. When the event is held in India, the place of supply is location of the recipient were held outside of India. In the given case, a wedding takes place in Maharashtra, Mumbai. The place of supply is Maharashtra. When the wedding takes place in Singapore, the place of business is Kochi, Kerala. Very good.